When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera.
Since I am just a boy in school, I asked my teacher, what should I try? Should I paint pictures? Should I sing songs? This was her wise reply.
Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera.
What will be, will be.
When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my lover, what lies ahead? Will we have rainbows day after day? Guess what my lover said. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. Now I have children of my own. They ask their mother, what will I be? I tell them wait and see. Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be.